Girl, puyat na puyat ako, but it's super worth it. I'm just super excited to share it with you because finally, after months of work, we now have real estate virtual assistant class na may 2 weeks na internship. So I'm not sure about you guys, but I am super excited because ang tagal talaga, as in ilang batch din yung nalipasan na nagpa-practice case studies after case studies if magwo-work ba to and if this is something na doable. And yes, finally, meron na akong mentee na lima sila na after the internship, may work sila. So sabi ko, sige, I think this is something that I can do for them. This is something that I can do for the community because hindi ko man matulungan lahat, at least pa isa-isa, matutulungan ko. So, the Real Estate Virtual Assistant class with 2 weeks internship ay launching na po this coming Sunday. It's 1 till 9 p.m. Pagkatapos, output-based pa din naman yung ating internship. However, some of the interns, kapag ka napili sila ng client, diretso silang doon sa client mag-i-internship. The thing is, pag napili ka ng client, meron ka specific na susundin na schedule. Pero, the rest of the class, output-based pa rin. So, wala kayong alalahanin pagdating sa schedule. And obviously, kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga interns na naka-pair sa client, yun din yung gagawin ng mga hindi naman mapipili. I also heard a lot of people asking me if magte-train ako ng property management, and ang hirap na hirap talaga akong squeeze lahat. So, hindi ko kayang ipasok lahat ng isang bagsakan sa isang klase, unti-unti. And the good thing about our classes is, halimbawa, nag-enroll ka sa class ng Reva ngayon. Pagkatapos, after 2 months, let's say for example, 2 months na bago ulit yung curriculum, madadagdagan ng property management, pwede ka ulit mag-sit in dun sa class na yon. Ngayon, ang coverage pa lang natin is from pre-selling, marketing, offers coordination, transaction coordination, inside sales associate, post. So, yung from pre-selling hanggang post-selling covered natin yan. And ako po mismo magtuturo sa inyo. Along with that, tuturuan ko kayo sa application book kung paano mag-apply. Pagkatapos magkakaroon kayo ng mock interview, which is your one-on-one with Bila. Then kasama na rin dyan yung certification. If you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. It will open our Gig Hub. Sa Gig Hub, nandito na lahat na kailangan nyo para matuto kayo mag-start na mag-work from home. However, if you wanna enroll dito sa Reva with internship under live mentorship class, hanapin nyo lang dito, 499 pa yung nakasulat, pero 999 pesos na siya ngayon dahil may 2 weeks ng internship. Ayan, i-click nyo lang 499 Real Estate Virtual Assistant. Makikita nyo yung mismong form, updated na siya, 999 na. If you want to learn how to start working from home, you want to be a real estate virtual assistant, and gusto nyong matuto from someone who's able to sustain their business for over 15 years, this is the class for you. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom.